Zen Well. Today I'm going to show you some Thai massage techniques that you can do if you are quarantined with a roommate, relative, partner. So this is Blaine, he's going to help us out. So this first technique, I am going to start seated at his head. So anytime before you touch someone, of course, you want to make sure you've washed your hands, and in this particular instance, your feet as well. So to get started, I'm just going to real gently place my toes in Blaine's shoulder, kind of let the tissue warm up. And then I'm going to start making little circles. You're always going to start light and work deeper, and you're going to go slowly. How's that feel, Blaine?
That feels good.
Okay. If your partner wants more pressure or they're particularly tense here, they might also like you to use your heel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook my heel into his shoulder, and then I'm just going to apply a downward pressure. And I'm going slow. And I'm not actually pressing all that hard. How's that feel?
Yeah, that feels good.
Okay. Other side. Okay, so from here, I'm actually going to hook my toes between his shoulder blades. So I'm going to slide under his back. This may feel awkward for you at first. It takes practice. So I am just slowly walking my feet between his shoulder blades. And then if I've walked my feet, once I'm where I want to be, I'm going to try and roll my feet out. And now I'm just going to apply some compression with my hands. And this is good for loosening up shoulder blades and also the chest. All right, how was that?
That was good.
Great.